Ladies and gentlemen, the next part of our event is the announcement of the best graduates of the class of 2023. This achievement category is our form of appreciation to the achievements that have been accomplished by the students during their study at our school. Their academic and non-academic achievements, as well as their personal traits, are the two main criteria to decide the best graduates, which means that the best graduates are students who have the best achievements in the academic and non-academic fields, as well as their attitudes and moral values.
Hadirin sekalian, acara selanjutnya adalah pengumuman lulusan terbaik. Kategori ini adalah penghargaan kami atas prestasi yang telah diperoleh siswa selama masa pendidikan di sekolah. Pencapaian akademik dan non-akademik adalah dua kriteria utama dalam penentuan lulusan terbaik ini. Kriteria yang diambil untuk menentukan lulusan terbaik adalah siswa yang memiliki prestasi terbaik di bidang akademik dan non-akademik, serta sikap dan nilai-nilai moral mereka.
Ladies and gentlemen, the best graduates of elementary, middle, and high school of Fatih Bilingual School, class of 2023. Let's welcome the best elementary graduate, Kaisara Shakila. Let's give a round of applause to the middle school best graduate, Zian Hafiz. Another round of applause to the best high school graduate, Naufal Akram. Best graduates, please step up. Allow us to ask the willingness of Mr. Biadelma Nanda Iliandi, Mr. Sudarman, and Miss Riza Emilia to give the students awards.
Kepada wisudawan terbaik diharapkan untuk ke depan. Kami meminta kesediaan Bapak Biadema Nanda Iliandi, Bapak Surdarman, dan Miss Riza Emilia untuk memberikan penghargaan.
Once again, congratulations to the best graduates for their impressive achievements. Mr. Biadelma Nanda Iliandi, Mr. Sudarman, and Miss Riza Emilia, you may return to your seats.
Sekali lagi kami ucapkan selamat untuk lulusan terbaik atas prestasi yang membanggakan. Kami persilakan duduk kembali Bapak Biadama, Bapak Sudarman, dan Miss Emilia.